Okay, we are continuing now with our Places mobile app, and we have actually finished step 1 by creating all the pages and adding the components. And now we're going to start here with step 2, and we're going to add the page controller code. So this is what's going to make all the pages work. So let's go to Ionic Creator and let's open up our project. And so we're going to start by clicking on the Code tab at the lower left corner, and then we're going to click on Pages, and then we're going to start just adding this code to the pages. So if we scroll down here, or go right down here to this Code button, click Code, and we see this thing pops up, and you can adjust it if you want to. And so the first thing we're going to do is let's go to the Places page. There's one for Places and one for Details. And we're also going to add something down here in Services. Okay, well, let's go to Places. And we're going to copy, we're going to replace line 4. We're going to replace this line with this all the way down to here. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, copy it down to here, and then I'm going to right click and copy. Make sure you get exactly the whole thing, top to bottom, and then go over here, and we will replace this first line, this fourth line right here. Just replace that, right click, paste. And so you see we've pasted in all that code. And in my computer science classes, I would now go through this code so we understand it. But in this class, just know that the main thing we're learning here is how to create the mobile application itself. And there are many mobile app developers that create pages like this, and then they pass this coding part on over to the coding department, and they take care of making the pages actually work. So that's what they would do. They would write the code and put it in right here. So that takes care of this first one for the Places page. Now let's add in the code for the Details page. Same easy thing. Copy the code down to here, and then do a right click and copy, and then go over to Creator, click on Details, and we're going to replace this fourth line right here, right click, paste. Okay, and so let's save this, and let's go back to this page and save this also. And it looks like we are done with step 2. We've copied in the page code. So let's move on to step 3. This is pretty quick. Step 3 is adding the services. And so we click on the code tab again, and we click on Other JS and go to the services.js. And in this case, we're talking about right here, services. And we're going to add some code right here. Add some code right there. And so let's go here, and right below the top line, let's copy this, starting with the period. These are the services. These are the services that actually connect to the external APIs. So let me copy this and go over here, and let's click right there and do a right click and a paste. And here are our services. These connect actually to the APIs that I mentioned before. Okay, and we have done step 3. And so we should be able to do step 4 now and actually test our app. So let's save this. We can click Save All. And let's close the code over here. And we should be on the Places page when we do this. Don't be on the Details page. And let me click Preview. And we see this populates. And we can change this to, this does not work. Okay, let's fix that. I'm going to go back to Build. Oh, when I click on here and I notice the NG options, it did not take. So I tell you, I think the best thing for me to do would be just to type that in. Sometimes when you copy paste, TYPE dot capital TYPEID cap as type period type space not space name space for type in types. Okay, so I basically typed this in right here, right here. Okay, and I'm going to click this arrow thing here, and it looks like there it is. That's how it looks here. And so let's save and close this. And now when I run this, I see there's my restaurants, and I can click down here and see this opens up. And let's look at movie theater, and we see, yes, there's my movie theater here. And I can click on more, and here is the Google Places page for my local movie theater. So it looks like that works. So let's close this video, and the last video I will be showing you how to export my app to my website. Thanks for watching.